to grab your audience attention by creating attractive YouTube thumbnails. Welcome back to my channel, the best place for entrepreneurs and experts to turn your passion into profits by creating online assets. In this video particularly, I'm going to share with you the 5 rules of creating attention-grabbing thumbnails. So make sure, pay attention. Number 1, use bold letters. Because ultimately, why you're creating all these thumbnails is just to grab attention. Just like when you're looking at magazines in a convenience shop, you don't actually read the content. It's just which magazine cover attracts you most, you'll buy it. Again, on YouTube, how you're gonna grab your audience attention. Number 1 is to use bold letters. Number 2 is don't use fancy fonts because people cannot see clearly what are your words, and you only have 0.01 second to grab their attention. If they cannot see the words, they will skip and just scroll down and you missed a chance. Number 3, use less than 5 words. Again, everybody only get that particular space to capture your audience. We all have the same YouTube thumbnail size. So how you can make sure they can see the words is put less words and make it bigger, right? Don't try to put the whole sentence, just put keywords. So when they look at it, they'll be hooked by it. And the 4th tip is to make it big. You have that space. Don't put your words tiny little. Make sure you make them super big so everybody can see it. Even though they're just walking past the screen, they can still see the words. And the last tip, the 5th tip, is to put the words on the left-hand side and your face on the right. Because on YouTube, there are so many buttons that are blocking the screen. So you want to make sure people can see the words still, even though there are so many buttons on the right. So make sure you put the letters or the words on the left-hand side. Again, let me recap everything. The 5 tips are: use bold letters, don't use fancy words, make it big, use less than 5 words, and make sure the words are on the left-hand side. So with all these 5 rules, I'm sure that your thumbnails can attract so many people, so many audience to watch the very tasty content inside. So I hope you loved this video, and I'll see you in another episode.